afternoon. It is Thursday, April 11th, 2019. I'm on my way to work. I'm running a little bit late. I had to stop and help my boss put a AC unit in. And I'm not late. I've got till 15 till to punch in. It's only 25 till, and I'm less than 5 minutes away from the plant. But anyway, I didn't go to the shop this weekend, or these 2 days off, as I planned. Like I said, I had to work Tuesday, and Wednesday I got my daughter's car ready. She's got an 04 Malibu that was given to me. It's a free car. I got it from the person I got my Expedition from, the one I'm driving right now. I got it from his sister. She just wanted it towed off, and I got it from her for free for towing it off. It's 04, and I actually didn't tow it off. I drove it. I boosted it off, put gas in it, and drove it home. Car runs fantastic. It needed a purge valve on it for the vapor return system, and we put the purge valve on it, and I went and had it inspected and tagged and everything yesterday. So it's, you know, it's insured, it's drivable. I was going to drive it today, but I don't want to drive it. My wife goes to work tomorrow night. She can't really get out tonight, so I told her, well, I'll just start driving it when you're off. That way, you know, if something happens, I got somebody that can come get me. And she said, yeah, that sounds like a plan. But anyway, I didn't get to the shop after that yesterday because we had a real bad windstorm here. I'll show you a picture of it. It's pretty bad. As you can see, that windstorm was pretty bad. We had 50 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts up to 80 miles an hour. It was intolerant. You know, I was out in it for most of the morning. It got too bad. I mean, the dust and the pollen flying around, and my eyes started matting up yesterday. I woke up this morning and to take my medicine and eat breakfast before I went back to bed, and had to wash my eyeballs to get them to open, and they're still, even this afternoon, they're almost matted up again. So, you know, and I don't really, my first day to work, because I slept last night, you know, I went to bed about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and I slept good most of the night. But I don't sleep most of the day because I slept, you know, pretty much all night. So I just kind of doze in and out all day. And even with that dozing in and out, my eyes still matted up pretty good. Washed them out again this afternoon. Now I feel okay. Forgot to take my allergy pill, but I feel okay. You know, I sound a little nasally. It's because my sinuses are acting up, my allergies are acting up, and my eyes are on fire, itchy and on fire. I've got I won't be clearing I've been vaping like crazy today to help clear my throat out, help clear my lungs, because, you know, they're kind of full of crap. And that vape steam really knocks that crap out. How it does it, I don't know, but it does. And anyway, I'm almost at work, so this is going to be a short video today. And I love you guys. And if you're watching my videos, you know, subscribe. If you like my videos, share them with your friends, and talk them into subscribing too. I need more subscribers. I need more watchers. And we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, I'm going to try to go to the shop in the morning. It depends on how tired I am. I will have first night blues in the morning, so like I said, I'm gonna try to get there in the morning, but it may just may not happen. So we'll see in the morning how everything goes, and I'll let you know. I've got to get some stuff done. I have found a place that will put 4-bolt main caps on my 2-bolt main block. So I may be searching for another block to build a 4-bolt main motor first, and then have the splayed mains put in that 2-bolt block. The guy said it'd be better to use 2-bolt block for that anyway. But all right, we'll talk to you guys later. I'm running late, so I got to get to work. See ya.